Rahul Gandhi ji is very serious on that particular issue, not only on loan waiver, whatever is mentioned in one's manifesto, it's important for him and for the party. For example, in recently concluded Chhattisgarh election, he asked the CLP leader, Mr. T.S. Singhdeo, who is also a front runner for the chief ministership, to write, to prepare the manifesto of the party. And Mr. Gandhi himself released that manifesto in Raipur in Chhattisgarh, and he literally he had a question answer session with Mr. T.S. Singhdeo, from where the finances will come, how you will implement all these things. And then after convincing himself that this manifesto is achievable, then he announced, he approved, and then he released.
Do you think if the Congress wins, along with the allies, wins elections for the Lok Sabha also next year, do you think the Congress and its allies would be doing the same at the national level?
Yes, we have precedents. In the first UPA government, 72,000 crores rupees were waived off from the loan which were provided to the farmers of this country, and it's known to one and all. And the main reason, in my opinion, the two main reasons, the Manrega, the money went to the villages for social upliftment, for the villagers, for the common people in the rural area of this country. That Manrega scheme and plus this loan waiver of the farmers helped us to come back to power with a larger,
so you will just accept
big number of seats or large number of seats in 2009.
So sorry to interrupt, you have just mentioned or accepted that farmers' issue is one of those important issues that the country is facing, and the government, any government at the center or even in the states, they have to do a lot as far as farmers of the country are concerned. How big do you think the issue is, and what actually the governments should be doing to improve the overall situation of the farming in the country?
No, they need good seeds, they need fertilizers at cheap rates, they need electricity, they need irrigation facilities, and plus they need the cost of their produce should be reasonable. What Mr. Modi did during the Lok Sabha 2014 elections, he promised to implement Swaminathan Committee report. Swaminathan Committee was formed during our time, but a number of things were recommended by the committee, and we implemented certain things. The main recommendation that we will provide the farmers 100 plus 50%, but if someone has
invested
100 rupees in agriculture, the price of his or her produce should be 150. Mr. Modi promised, but he didn't, or any of his government throughout the country was not able to keep this promise.
Right, sir.
So we have said, and we are planning to make it a commitment in our coming 2019 Lok Sabha election, that when we will come to power, we will try our best to implement Swaminathan Committee report.
How viable is the loan waiver option?
No, Mr. Rahul Gandhi just yesterday he said, loan waiver is not a solution. It's a part-time help. He says, or he said yesterday and on several occasions earlier also, that we want to give a permanent solution for the problem.
What that would be? Any idea?
That would be to provide them with cheap seeds, cheap fertilizer, electricity on time, irrigation facilities, and good cost to their produce. This is the way to help farmer and the farming of this country.